Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Realme has launched one more budget smartwatch and this time it's the Realme Watch 3. In today's video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this smartwatch. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the model name Realme Watch 3 and here we have the picture of the smartwatch and this watch we have here is in the black color. At this side, we have some key features such as Bluetooth calling, 1.8-inch display, stylish and trendy design. You get the all-day health monitoring, 110 plus sports modes, and you get 100 plus stylish watch faces. The MRP on the box is Rs 4,999. However, the launch price of this watch is Rs 2,999, which is an introductory pricing. And after the 2nd of August, the price will be increased. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the nicely packed watch itself. And guys, my first impression is that this watch feels lightweight. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, which has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then we get the charging cable, and it's a magnetic cable, which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Realme Watch 3 is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Looking at the design and build quality, I find this watch lightweight. In terms of the design, you get the boxy design, which looks good. And also, we get the metallic finished case in this watch. So basically, it's plastic. I wish we had the metal casing in this watch. But yes, due to the plastic casing, the watch is really lightweight. And here I must tell you that the build quality of this smartwatch feels good and also the straps quality and look and feel is decent. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.8-inch TFT display which comes with the curved glass. And here you can see we get a smaller bezel on the top but a thicker bezel at the bottom of the screen. Now looking at the right side of the watch, we have the function button and the mic for calling. At this side, we have the speaker grill. At the back we have the sensors and the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, the Realme Watch 3 looks good and it's also very comfortable on the wrist. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Realme Link and here we need to go to the add device section and scan the QR code. And then accept the pairing request on the watch. Immediately after pairing, you will get one more request and this will enable the Bluetooth calling. So our smartwatch is now paired. Now let's go through the features. So here we are on the watch face and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And by default, you get only one watch face, but you can add more through the companion app. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings. And here we have the DND, brightness, battery saver mode, torch, wrist awake and the settings of the watch. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history. Swiping left or right on the watch face will give you the access to the quick apps. And here we have the activity, heart rate, SpO2, music and so on. And guys, here I must tell you that the touch response is very good and there is a very minimal lag in the animation while going through different options. Now looking at the main menu, here as well, we have a good touch response and no lag in the animation. So in the menu first we have the activity and here you can see your current day's fitness data. After that we have the phone and here you have the call history, frequent contacts which you can add from the app. And after that we have the dial pad to make a new phone call. And guys, about the calling performance, I will talk in a moment. Then in the menu we have the workout and here we have few workout modes. And as mentioned earlier, we get the 110 plus sports modes and you can edit this list from the companion app. And about the workouts, the watch takes the GPS data from your phone and you get all the details here while working out. Then in the menu we have the heart rate and this watch supports continuous heart rate monitoring. And about the data accuracy, it's actually quite good and we don't get any false reading when you're not wearing the watch. And then we have the SpO2 and again, here as well the data is quite accurate. And one more thing, that this smartwatch also supports auto SpO2 monitoring and it can alert you when the blood oxygen level reaches below a certain level. Then in the menu we have the stress monitoring and here as well we get the all-day stress monitoring in this smartwatch. After that we have the sleep and here you can see your last night's sleep details. And then we have the workout records and here you can see the history of your workouts. After that we have the breathe which allows you to do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. After that we have the alarm and then we have the weather and here you can see the current weather conditions as well as the weather forecast for the upcoming few days. After that we have the event reminders which you can set from the app. And then we have the women health for female cycle tracking. And then we have the tools and here we have the usual stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, music to control the music of your phone, and guys, you can also increase or decrease the volume. And then we have the camera control, and once enabled, you can control the camera of your phone, and it does work with the native camera app of your phone. After that, we have the find phone option. And then lastly in the main menu, we have the settings, and here we have the watch faces, display, which includes brightness settings, screen on time, and also the raise to wake feature. And guys, about the performance, it's decent, and the response is quite good. After that we have the sound and vibration settings, and here we have the ringer volume, vibration intensity, and the ringtone mode toggle button. After that we have the workout settings, and here we have the workout reminders, and also you can turn on the auto sports detection, but guys, this will consume more battery. And then we have the DND settings, and in general we have the usual power off, reset, and the restart option. So guys, you're getting almost all the features, and the menu is also neatly categorized. I really like that you can choose a sports mode from the app, which makes the sports mode menu clutter free. Now looking at the companion app, we have the home page, and here you have your fitness and the workout data. You can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. And then we have the face gallery, and here you can see the available cloud-based watch faces. And guys, the watch face sync is also pretty fast in this smartwatch. And one more thing, you can also create a custom watch face with your photo. And then in the settings we have the notification settings, and in this you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And as you know, you can reject or accept the call from the watch itself. And there is also this silent button. And as you might have noticed, we don't have the preset replies for calling in this smartwatch. And now about the performance, the speaker volume is okay, it's not too loud, and for indoors, you will not face any issue, but in the noisy outdoor environment, you will face some issue with the speaker volume. But the AI mic performance in this watch is definitely very good for both indoors and outdoors. Now let me show you the app alert. And guys, when you get the alert, you would need to tap on it to see the notification. And unfortunately, we were not getting the emojis in the text messages, even though they are supported in this smartwatch. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the health reminders, and here we have the idle alert, drink water reminder, 24 hours heart rate, and the SpO2 monitoring. And also from here you can also turn on the 24 hours stress monitoring. And then we have the more menu, and here you have the option such as weather, camera controller, and frequent contacts, which you can sync with your watch. So overall, the Realme Watch 3 is a beautiful looking Bluetooth calling smartwatch. It's lightweight and feels really comfortable on the wrist. You're not getting an AMOLED display in this watch, but the performance of the 1.8-inch TFT display is not that bad. The viewing angles are good, and the touch response is also pretty good. The fitness data is also accurate, and the overall performance of this watch, which includes Bluetooth calling, battery backup, is decent. And yes, this smartwatch is also IP68 water resistant. There are few things which could be better, such as we don't have the preset replies for calling and social media, and the speaker is not that loud. Nonetheless, at the launch price of ₹2,999, we think you're getting a pretty good deal, and this smartwatch is definitely a value for money. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Realme Watch 3. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.